Sublime English Podcast.
Simple words, big confidence.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn English Wisely. I am Jake.
And I am Anna. Today, we have a very special episode for you.
Yes, today we talk about real-life English, the English you need every day, the English you need when you travel.
This episode is called The English Survival Guide.
That is right. If you are in a new country and you need to speak English, this episode is for you.
We will talk about many different situations. At the airport, at the hotel, in a coffee shop, in a shop, on the street.
All the important places, all the important words. So let us start. Okay, so Anna, imagine you are at the airport. You just arrived in a new country. What do you do first?
Good question, Jake. First, I go to passport control. The officer looks at my passport.
Yes, and what does the officer say?
The officer can say things like, "Can I see your passport, please?" Or, "What is the reason for your visit?"
Simple questions. And what do you say?
You can say, "Here is my passport." Or for the second question, you can say, "I am here on holiday." Or, "I am here for work."
Very good. And what about your bags? After passport control, you go to get your bags. But sometimes there is a problem. Your bag is not there.
Oh no, that is a big problem. What do you say?
You go to the information desk. You say, "Excuse me, I cannot find my bag," or "I think my bag is lost."
The staff will help you. They will ask, "Can you show me your ticket?" Or, "What does your bag look like?"
And you say something like, "My bag is big and black," or "My bag has a red label on it."
Good. Now, after you get your bag, you need to go to the city. You look for the exit. You see signs that say arrivals, departures, exit, taxi, bus stop.
These words are very important. Remember them. Arrivals is where people come in. Departures is where people leave.
And if you need help, you can always ask someone, "Excuse me, where is the taxi?" Or, "Excuse me, how do I get to the city center?"
Perfect. Short and simple. People understand you. You are fine.
And one more thing, if you do not understand someone at the airport or anywhere, it is okay to say, "Sorry, can you say that again, please?" Or, "Can you speak more slowly, please?"
Yes, this is so important. Do not be afraid to ask. People will help you.
Okay, Jake, now we are at the hotel. You walk in, you go to the front desk. What do you say?
I say, "Hello, I have a reservation." A reservation means you already booked the room. You paid or you said you will come.
And the person at the desk will say, "What is your name, please?"
And you say your name. Simple. They will check the computer and give you your key.
But sometimes there is a problem. Maybe your room is not ready. The staff will say, "Your room is not ready yet. Can you wait 30 minutes?"
And you can say, "Okay, no problem." Or if you are very tired, you can say, "Is there another room available?"
Good. Now you are in your room, but you need something. Maybe you need more towels, or maybe the TV is not working.
What do? You call the front desk. You say, "Hello, this is room 205.
Always say your room number first, then say the problem. "I need more towels, please." Or, "The TV is not working."
Very clear, very easy.
And in the morning, you want breakfast. You go to the restaurant. The staff will ask, "Do you have breakfast included?" That means, "Is breakfast in your price?"
You can say, "Yes, I think so," or "I am not sure, can you check?" And they will help you.
One more important phrase for the hotel. When you leave, you go to the front desk and say, "I would like to check out, please." Check out means you are leaving the hotel.
They will give you a paper with the price, you pay, and you say goodbye. Easy.
Now we are hungry and we need coffee. Jake, you love coffee. What do you say in a coffee shop?
Yes, I love coffee. Okay, so when you walk into a coffee shop, you wait. You look at the menu. The staff will come to you or they will call you to the counter.
The counter is the big desk where they make the drinks.
Right. And they say, "Hi, what can I get you?" Or "What would you like?"
These are common phrases. They mean, what do you want?
And you say, "I would like a coffee, please." Or "Can I have a large coffee, please?"
Very polite, very simple. And what if you want milk or no sugar?
You say, "With milk, please." Or "No sugar, please." Or "Can I have oat milk?" Many coffee shops have different kinds of milk now.
And they will ask, is that to have here or to take away? That means, do you want to sit inside or do you want to take the coffee with you?
You say, "To have here, please." Or "To take away, please."
Good. Now, what about a restaurant, a real restaurant with food?
Okay, so you go in, someone will meet you at the door. They say, "Hello, do you have a reservation?" Or "How many people?"
You say, 2 people, please, or just me, please, and they take you to a table.
Then the waiter or waitress comes and gives you the menu. They say, "Are you ready to order?" That means, "Do you know what you want?"
If you need more time, say, can we have a few more minutes, please? No problem. They will come back.
When you are ready, say, "I would like the chicken, please," or "I will have the pasta." Both are correct and polite.
And if you have a question about the food, say, excuse me, what is in this dish? Or, does this have meat in it? Very useful if you do not eat certain foods.
At the end, you ask for the bill. You say, "Can we have the bill, please?" Or in American English, people sometimes say check instead of bill. "Can we have the check, please?"
Both are fine. And you leave a tip if the service was good. In many countries, this is normal.
Now, Anna, let us talk about transport. Trains, buses, and tickets. This is very important when you travel.
Yes. Okay. Imagine you are at a train station. You go to the ticket office or the ticket machine. Let us talk about the ticket office first. A real person is there.
You say, "Hello, one ticket to London, please." Simple. You say where you want to go.
The person will ask, single or return? Single means you go one way. Return means you go and come back.
And they ask, "When would you like to travel?" You say, "Today, please," or "Tomorrow morning."
They might also ask, standard or first class? Standard is normal. First class costs more money but is more comfortable.
And then they tell you the price. That is £25, please. You pay, you get your ticket. Done.
Now, what about a ticket machine? This is more common now. You see a big screen. You touch the screen.
Do not be scared of ticket machines. They are easy. First, choose your language. Many machines have many languages.
Then choose where you want to go. Type the name of the city. Then choose the time. Then choose single or return. Then pay by card or cash.
And the ticket comes out. Take it, keep it safe. You need it on the train.
Now, what if you have a problem? The machine is broken or you do not understand. Go to a person. Say, excuse me, can you help me? I want to buy a ticket to Manchester.
People at train stations are usually very helpful.
And one more thing. On the train, sometimes a person comes to check your ticket. They say, tickets, please. You show your ticket. If you have a phone ticket, you show your phone screen.
Easy, no problem.
Okay, Jake, you are in a new city. You are lost. What do you do?
I ask someone for help. But first, I say, "Excuse me." Always start with "excuse me." It is polite.
Yes, you say, excuse me, can you help me? And the person will stop and listen.
Then you say, "I am looking for the train station," or "Where is the nearest supermarket?" or "How do I get to the museum?"
And the person will give you directions. Listen carefully. They will say words like turn left, turn right, go straight, it is on your left, it is on your right.
Let us listen to some examples. Go straight, then turn left at the traffic lights.
The hotel is on your right, next to the bank.
Walk for about 5 minutes and you will see it.
These are the most common directions phrases. Go straight, turn left, turn right, on your left, on your right, next to, opposite.
What does opposite mean?
Opposite means you are here and the place is on the other side, like the cafe is opposite the park.
Ah, yes, good word. And between?
Between means in the middle of two things. The pharmacy is between the bank and the post office.
Now, sometimes directions are long or fast, and you do not remember everything. It is okay to say, "Sorry, can you say that again?" Or, "Sorry, can you show me on the map?"
Many people have maps on their phones now. You can show the person your phone and they can point to the place.
And if you are really lost, just use your phone map, Google Maps or Apple Maps. Type the name of the place, it will show you the way.
Technology is very helpful, but it is also good to practice asking for directions in real life. It is good English practice.
Exactly. And local people often know secret shortcuts.
That is true.
Now let us go shopping. Anna, do you like shopping?
I love shopping. Okay, so when you go into a shop, a staff member might say, "Can I help you?" Or, "Are you looking for something?"
If you just want to look, you say, "No thank you, I'm just looking." Very simple. They will leave you alone.
But if you need help, say, "Yes, please. I am looking for a shirt." Or, "Do you have this in a bigger size?" Or, "Do you have this in blue?"
Very useful phrases. Now, when you find something you like, you want to know the price. You say, "How much is this?" Or, "How much does this cost?"
And the staff will tell you, "That is 15 pounds." Or, "It's on sale. It is now 10 euros."
On sale means the price is lower. It's cheaper than normal. Good news.
Now you go to the counter to pay. The staff will scan your items. They will say, "That is 32 pounds and 50 pence, please."
You can pay by cash or by card. Most places now accept card. You put your card on the machine or you put it in. Sometimes you need to type your PIN. Your PIN is your secret number.
And the machine will say, "Approved," or make a sound. That means the payment is done.
The staff will ask, "Would you like a bag?" You say, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." In many countries, you pay a small amount for a plastic bag.
And they give you a receipt. A receipt is a small paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Keep it. If there is a problem with the item later, you need the receipt.
What if you want to return something? If the item is broken or you do not like it?
Go back to the shop. Take the item and the receipt. Say, "Excuse me, I bought this yesterday and I would like to return it." They will ask, "What is the reason?" You can say, "It is the wrong size," or "It does not work."
Simple and polite. Usually no problem.
And now, our last chapter. This is maybe the most difficult one for many learners.
Yes, small talk. This means casual conversation with people you do not know, like at a bus stop.
Or in a waiting room. Or at a party.
In some countries, like the United Kingdom, small talk is very common. People talk about the weather. They talk about the news. They talk about small, easy things.
The weather is the most popular topic in England.
It is true. So, how do you start a conversation with someone you do not know?
You can say something simple. "Nice day today, isn't it?" This means, "The weather is good today. Do you agree?"
Or, if the weather is bad, you can say, "What terrible weather." Most people will laugh and agree.
You can also start with a question. "Excuse me, is this the line for the bus?" This is a real question, but it also starts a conversation.
Or, if you are waiting somewhere, you can say, "Have you been waiting long?" This means, "Did you arrive a long time ago?"
These small questions open the door for a conversation. Then you can introduce yourself. "By the way, my name is Jake."
"Nice to meet you. I am Anna." Very simple.
And some easy questions for small talk. "Are you from here?" This asks if the person lives in this city or town.
"Are you here on holiday?" This asks if they are a tourist, like you.
"What do you think of this city?" This asks for their opinion.
These are safe, friendly questions. You are not asking about money or age or personal things, just small, nice topics.
And if someone asks you something and you do not understand, remember you can say, "Sorry, I did not catch that. Can you repeat it?" This is polite and natural.
Or if you want to end the conversation, you can say, "It was nice talking to you," or I hope you enjoy your stay, or simply have a nice day.
Always end conversations in a friendly way. People remember this.
And do not be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers sometimes say the wrong thing.
The most important thing is to try. If you try to speak English, people will help you. People are kind.
And that is our English Survival Guide. 7 chapters, 7 situations. So many useful phrases.
Let us quickly remember them all. Chapter 1, at the airport. Chapter 2, at the hotel. Chapter 3, ordering coffee and food. Chapter 4, buying a ticket. Chapter 5, asking for directions. Chapter 6, shopping and paying. And Chapter 7, small talk.
If you practice these phrases, you will feel much more confident in English.
You do not need perfect English. You need useful English. And today, you learned a lot of useful English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video. It really helps our channel.
And subscribe to Learn English Wisely so you never miss a new episode.
Write in the comments below. Tell us which situation is most difficult for you. The airport? Shopping? Small talk? We read all the comments. We love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.